and then Accra ha baby obefe bola. Baby obefe bola from Abokobi, Ekofa Pantine, Ekofa Lakeside, Kofa East Legon Hills, Madina, UPSA, East Legon near the Adenia, Sako Pim or Donna, Dominia Bolam Kwa, Baby Obefebia, Ubehumbola. If you say a critical sector of the environment, your friend waste management, no. Abaining fan a new hero. Abaining fan a new hero. ABY. Abaina yinani. Aye go dan Canadian ki nyama mpani nua or company ani de enim say Ghana new company aye de amano. You see, ahom keka gold bar ye de ma company bi ni sa so na ball aba no ana sa company no fa ne excavators ne nyoma sisa sa baller no. You see, in some Kenya no the buck stops with the president. Reverend, we have a president in this country also known as taking leadership role. Say na Reverend Ekano flood need obi ani so control. Obi ani obetima ka che Nyankopon se ma nsu nto. Ebia Nyankopon beka so beti ni se nsu nto. Nsu ni de beto. O he forecast na just Africa na kesi mu ba beto. Eto wie na flood ni ba. The most important thing is how your leaders are conduct your mo. Eto wie ya flood ni ba how our President Mahama are conducting a 0/100. He hasn't demonstrated leadership. He hasn't demonstrated, say, he's learned on the job as a president. I've always said, say, if your president be a was of failure, President Mahama, because he's lived the experience. What did man penini bida? And I was uncle to here for 8 years. And when the challenges are the ordinary Ghanaian FAC. Wa born to Ghana henia ehusenia mampeni tie ehusenia opposition leader tie enti onya akwanya ba biom no. I am not expecting say President Mahama will fail, most importantly because he himself is not seeking re-election, and so he has a solid opportunity say or the baby sisan yoma wa Ghana ha. But it looks as if it looks as if President Mahama has still not learned. It looks as if President Mahama is still insensitive. He hasn't demonstrated leadership. It looks as if President Mahama is still very weak and he's not in charge. Because Abani say, "Everyone, you will tell me the manusi no. Everyone, me basa na bebe muno. Everyone answer na bebe muno. But there be everyone answer na everyone.
Also, wo be ya soja for no ye adwuma wo kwan no so. Say adwuma ni bi say after na esi ye no. Eni se mampani di soja ni di animu a soja for na sha se ye.
Abai we buy no what committees in 162. Abai we buy. Undo 2 years what committees in 162 results by Nadiaba. Committees in Baku 162 committees. And I buy way at it.
Asempa FM
162 committees. I buy way to committees no. Seb you were Hunyansa say or the Waste Management Committee back on. After you so man for nothing near better committee. It's an insult. About Education Reform Committee, then Legal Reform Committee, committee akesi ni ano. Abaine hunyansa say obeti Waste Management Committee or tie Flood Management Committee na edwuma be no maye. As abai we no on the deputy chief of staff no in charge of Flood Management Committee. Ade omo pepper ni say yentina helicopter. Afi no mu live your childhood dreams. Now you so toy me wo weja near shin so free a ho helicopter atwem me say na the helicopter ye ko yinkofo na wotete gun so na ti ana say man pani na team na wo twa selfie we yi ni phone and wo twa video man pani team na we yi ni phone na wo twa video. Clearly you could see say the president lacks the basic leadership skills. The president is simply not in charge of edwuma Ghana for the action and son. Say you so toy no chain homes and yiri. Unim nenja chain homes and yiri. We are penny no. Because Reverend, unim say almost every day. Say who twem was am kwan na ampenini ye a bypass na ko ni fie no di ni dia to so Mahama Road na. Every morning and every evening nkofo ho no ma anua kakra na abegu kwan ne nchen no omopra. Anua kakra na abegu kwan ne nchen no omopra. O ka se weja kwan ne sa no omopra anua ne kakra anke ne nso beto anua ne be yiri nkofo no wo ho. Which means the president acknowledges say aside baller no anua ne begu kwan no it's a major problem, and that is the problem of Weja highway no enya baller na ama ohwa yesa we anua. And if your mampeni wo krom ha na sa asemasi Yankoti the next major decision I wasn't taking is a Yankoya National Day for Prayer and Thanksgiving. Nobody saying it is wrong. I support the National Prayer and Thanksgiving. But at that very moment, the president should have called an emergency cabinet meeting, invited opinion leaders like the clergy, like the Islamic communities to sit down with them, say, Monam, what the various committees name. I say, no, the biggest problem is the churches. I am sorry for no, because Reverend Ousube sorry for a flood, Omufia flood in here, and don't be expecting, say, so for Penny Babuomo.
Of course.
And then, when who say Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, relief items, donna. Pentecost, sorry, dan chebi, ma sorry, fountain of life, chebi, Pastor Iswood Anaba, Ensu chebi. I say, I so funny the problems, no, echo to doorsteps, no, to waste about an additional 10 million Ghana cedis or more on a national day of prayer and thanksgiving at a time when the citizens are dying of basic and Yoma Yebeti Media Boa citizens. Now I think the president has so far demonstrated that he's very weak. He has demonstrated that he is not in charge of the governance system. He has demonstrated that he doesn't know what he's doing. He has demonstrated that the government itself is directionless. He has demonstrated that he has no plan to mitigate suffering. Eko Ghana for any no. He has demonstrated so say onite mama Ghana for. Obiya ni say President Mahama. Eba ni Mr. Nice Guy or your number one. Eba ni say President Mahama die yen kase cheese take a picture or your number one. Eba ni say yen sresre ni you show to yen play to the optics yen ji umbrella no near they are doing number one. But Mr. President, people are dying. Christian, find it all you so to all cry you so nation and to a to Reverend Gassi wager there 1 hour can crew or there to 20 minutes a for ho because offer ho no pressure bridge no so ni na bridge ni ma ebu afa kwan no so no waso betima ye hia ade ya asefem ni say schools nso wo sa area ho nti na me de na e mare ho hun say tama menkai etifo ya but tama yenya helicopter crash yinia yere hoye yinia yafanya politics even though say nkofo mo hwe mo kwa no me abai mo nkofo me omo belonging to a certain party obi afanya politics MPP flag bearer me boss Dr. Bawumia eko President Mahama fie ko Chiano owi oko Jubilee House eko Leni Reef ene MPP fonia ye yokobi victims 8 ni yokobi afie with the exception of nipa not omuba kwa not ne busuafo takrade no wenti man komo akra no ngwa de ni amede achi bi eko President Mahama fie onia na meka okobi afanya politics and an unconfirmed reporter yenya ni say nipa 30 na ewu nipa 8 na ewu through the helicopter crash no moja na enam the same thing enam nipa unconfirmed number Ministry of Interior for so far 12 na ewu but unconfirmed reports enam social media ni ade so say ye nipa 30 and in fact to share dead bodies are on social media it's more than the 12 it's more than because alajo nko dead bodies omunya wo no it's more than 12 ne kra and you know say nipa 8 wuyema the whole nation arrested the conscience of the nation say nipa 31 ka by now come expect say president a call emergency cabinet meeting where any matter of politics but until when nipa because ebi wa ye ka say nso emu na wa bontin o nso to ne ene holiday to na onim de besi ebi wa a very dangerous matter na ye kan wa say nti ebusuafo ma hwere o madofo nam ye de nyame asem chichiro mo we ya se obi a onyare obi a ne hondodo no na nsu atokeke no afa mu ahwere ne nkwa ye se area ba ku se na young boys be 4 no mother omo no mo da container nti omo da container nsu ne toye na nsu ne fa container mo 4 ni ewu spontaneous omo ti ase anka ye ni dia nkomo betima be ya ama abo oman no enti no ebiwa is a challenger
onya kwa
mfim because nsu na to ahomache na obeda obehwe na nsu aka ho obehwe na unnim swemi wo hye contain mu contain nem yedum light unnim ba bi kura obefa pie ni ade ya hu se owuo pa eba na untimi nya hwemfa ho na meka ne say wie no na yes Ministry of Interior omofa the real figures no embra in ya kai COVID by no the president was truthful they be our ba near ye chat yesi nipa say na enya active cases nipa say na recover nipa say na ewu eno kra once we face reality in times of crisis now so kind of crack. This is not the time for throwing settings in this annual manuma. Now, somebody need to be kind of creature or man for no. Because wager, me fear a war wager. Maybe I'm a bush and 40. In so no dinem war holler, and your compound or ABY. In so no dinem war fear or holler. A drew to J. Ya crab baby at two wager and your highland in this way, ni bridge net you. You will take a go inside honor. Maybe at Tina Mesa, former MP. Tina Mesa fear on your flat day. Ohonu muni afla de entina ya sema
like 4 days
a serious matter ABY me dem ngini say 40,000 no mo kan no ya de a e wo say ya de ya asem na reverend Kanatala ho no say Dr. Baomia e kokosra mo ko hwe situation no ohoni de say na be say o de whether you should to me no kat you should to so kwa na ba kwa block 4-lane road no a block enti ba ko na ekoka aso na ho na mo Africa aso eba no omo nso fa wo koka aso anso a ho anso na obefa akọ